Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of cover letter. So as I told you, you should not simply address the in greetings. You should not simply address the hiring manager as dear sir or madam. It doesn't make any impression. It doesn't create any good impression. So what you have to do is you have to address the hiring manager with his name. How you are going to find out his name? Okay, um, there are several ways. The simplest option is to look up the head of the relevant department on LinkedIn. Take, for example, if you are applying a job in a college, then you can search the college and faculty IDs and who is the HR manager in that particular college, or who is the in charge of that particular department. You can address any one of them in the cover letter. So probably hiring manager would do all this processing, especially when they screen the resumes. It's only the hiring manager's job, so you better include the hiring manager's name in the salutation. And if you don't find hiring manager's name, okay, you do not need to worry. Then you can say, dear particular department's hiring manager. Take for example, if it is math, dear math department hiring manager, or if it is in a particular company like Hudson, dear Hudson hiring manager. Okay, or to be very formal, and it sounds slightly very mechanical, to address as to whomever it may concern. Okay, but try to avoid all these and try to find out the particular name of the person that will create the best impression about you. And then write an attention grabbing introduction. Okay, how we are going to create an attention grabbing introduction? Okay, there are so many gonna apply for this particular job, but how we are going to attract the recruiter? By grabbing his attention, telling how your skills are perfect fit for this company. Take for example, hey, my name is Jonathan. I would like to work as a sales manager at this particular company. I have worked as a sales manager in an MNC for a 5 plus years, so I believe that I would be a good perfect. This is not a formal one, it's a very common one. But if you want to really create an impression, then you can go something like this. Dear Mr. Joe, my name is Michael, and I would like to help this company hit and exceed their sales goals as a sales manager. I have worked with this in a particular company, a fintech company, for 3 plus years. As a sales representative, I generated an average of 3,000 plus sales per month, beating the KPIs by around 40%. I believe that my previous industry experience as well as excellence in sales make me the right candidate for the particular job. So when you do like this, you're giving the exact thing what the hiring manager is looking for. Take for example, if you're applying for the position of a sales manager, the hiring manager definitely looks for somebody who can achieve their target. So when you mention about your achievements in sales marketing, there you go, you got his attention. So in order to create the best impression, your first paragraph of the cover letter must impress the hiring manager. And the next one is explain why you are perfect person for the particular job. Take for example, this part is split into two paragraphs. The first one is explaining about how fit you are for this job, and the second one is about why this job fits you and the work culture of this particular company fits you. For example, the sake of let's say you are applying for the particular position of a Facebook advisor. You scan the job and see the top requirements. Experience managing a Facebook, budget of 10,000 per month, some skills in advising on other platforms like Google, Twitter, excellent copywriting. Now you go like this. Dear Mr. Joe, in my previous role as a Facebook marketing expert at R&D company, I handled customer acquisition through ads, managing a monthly Facebook and budget of 20,000. As the sole digital marketer at the company, I managed the ad creation and management process end to end, meaning I created the ad copy, images packed, the targeting, ran optimization, trials, and so on. Other than Facebook advertising, I have delved into other online PPC channels, including Google Search, Twitter, Reddit, Quora. So, this is where you give the exact skills that you have developed through your experience. Now, explain why you are a good fit for the company. Don't say that this company is very creative and innovative and the people who work here are like we are in the same mind wave or something like that, because every culture, every company is striving hard to be innovative in their own field. So it's just a vague explanation to be a perfect fit for a company. Instead of saying that, you should do the groundwork before you write the cover letter. Should be exact about what is the company known for and where do they excel. You have to hit there. Take for example, I have personally used this smartphone, Apple smartphone, and I believe that it is the most innovative tech I have ever used in years. The features such as made up are really game changers for the device. Really admire how the company thrives for excellence for all its product lines, creating market leading tech. As someone that thrives in a self driven environment, I believe that I and the company can have a great match. Okay, so what you should not do. Take for example, I would love to work for the company because it has the culture of innovation. I believe that since I am super creative, I am good for for this company. The company values of integrity and transparency really vibe with me. As I told you, every company wants to be innovative, and this integrity and transparency is a common thing, and that is a part of system in every company. So it's not the right explanation. And then how to wrap up the call for an action. Take for example, wrap up any points you couldn't have in the previous paragraphs. Take for example, thanking the hiring manager for their time. Finish the cover letter with a call for an action. That the very long last sentence in your cover letter should be like something like this. So to wrap it all, thanks for looking into the application. I hope I can help company X make the most out of their Facebook marketing initiatives. I would love to further discuss how my previous access at this company can help you achieve your Facebook marketing goals. Okay. So the last one is use the formal closing, and once you are done with the final paragraph, you have to use it's the time to close the letter. So you have to be very formal with greetings like best regards, kind regards, sincerely, thank you, truly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, kindly come back to me.